Here, you need some bigger pieces. Here, right here. Okay. Here, try these. You're not going to be able to pick that one up. I stand corrected. Good job. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. You have it on your fork. Yay! You're so smart. You did it again. Yeah. Put it in your mouth. Eat it. Oh, it fell. You can do it. It fell off. It fell off. It fell off again.